Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first I'll enter the pin from my SIM card to activate this SIM, and now just to remove the SIM from the pin from the SIM card, go into the settings and scroll down to the security and lock screen section. Here just scroll a little bit down to the personal security and tap to the SIM card lock, and as can you see, our lock SIM card switcher is activated. And just to remove SIM pin, tap once on the switcher and here enter your currently password. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap to OK to confirm. And as can you see, we just at the moment remove the SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's really simple, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.